హాయ్ ఆల్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ మీకు తెలుసా విత్ పల్లవి ఎలిమెంట్స్లీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Hope you are all doing good. I am also very good. So I have been getting many requests to do a video on AFP, Australian Federal Police Check, because this is required for many applications and this is a mandatory thing to apply for many visas, Australian Federal Police Check. So I'll show you today like how to apply your AFP in a very simple steps and in a very easy way. So I'll just share my screen to you, and the link for the AFP is in the description below, and you can follow the steps that I am showing you on my laptop screen. And please to follow all the steps and do watch the video from starting to end so that you can understand each and every step to apply your AFP. So first, for the AFP, all your details are required. So as you know your details, it's okay. So keep all the documents ready with you that are required. Keep yourself free for 5 to 10 minutes because this AFP application form just take a few minutes, like nearly from 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. It doesn't take more hours. It just take a few minutes. So do follow all the steps that I'm showing you. Hi again. So we are almost there, and I'll explain you how to do Australian Federal Police Check in very small steps, in a very easy steps. So first we need to search Australian Federal Police Check in the browser that is available in your laptop or in your phone. So you might be having doubt like why Australian Federal Police Check? You know, this checks is only provided for immigration or visa or for overseas employment or for citizenship people living in Australian Capital Territory and extra Commonwealth territories. Okay, so for students who are applying TR, definitely need to do AFP check now. So many people you might be having doubt like how can I do AFP check? It is an easy process. So I'll just explain, So when you press Australian Federal Police Check, you will get a link here. So just click on it. Alright, it's just loading. Yeah. So you'll get everything about Australian Federal Police Check in this page. Just scroll down. It's saying about fees and everything. Okay. So just press on online application. So before going to that, read everything about Australian AFP. Alright, because you also need to know about like what it does and what it says, right? Alright, so if you come here, this is our application form and I'll provide the link of this application form in description box. So if at all you need that link directly, just press the link below in the description box. Alright, yes, so just read everything here. Okay, yes. So when you after you read everything, press I have read and understood the instructions above. Okay, now we are almost there. We are starting our application form. Start our application form, and this is the page that is displayed. Okay, so it's saying N means name, P means photo, A means address, S means signature. So these are the points. So tick if uploading. So whatever you tick, you should definitely upload it at the end. So here the condition is you must supply at least one primary document, right? So let's check like what we will have. A foreign passport current. A foreign passport might be any passport, maybe India. So I have Indian passport, so I'm keeping foreign passport India. I don't have Australian passport, so I'm not taking it. I don't have Australian citizenship certificate. I don't have full birth certificate. Some people have this identity card. No, this is not no, this identity card only some people will have, like for refugees to those people, and most people might have this Australian driver license or learner's permit, but I don't have this, so I'm not taking this. Alright, and Australian student ID card and photo identification for Australian regulatory purposes. This thing also for some people it might be like who are working in aviation or a security industry like that. I don't have this because I work in retail. I'm not taking this, and I am not a government employee, so I won't take this, and I'm not in defense, so I won't take this, right? Because I only have one, and the condition here is you must have at least one primary document. I have one, so I take with that. Alright, so if we come to secondary documents, so what I have here, let me check. So I have my credit card or account card. Yes, I don't have any of these. I have my bank statement. Yes, I have my property lease agreement. Property lease agreement is something, if you are staying in one house and you have a lease agreement from your owner, so you can keep that lease agreement. So I was with Trimson now, so I have Trimson lease agreement. And taxation assessment notice, hostel mortgage, government utility bill. This almost everyone will have this bill. Maybe telephone bill, electricity, gas, utility bill. Any of the bill is fine. So 20. So total I have got 165 points. So here the condition is a minimum of 100 points of identification to be provided with the application. You will be given the opportunity to upload this later. So when you select these, you should get minimum a score of 100. So I got 165. It's good. So if you get 100, it's fine. If you get more than 165 also, it's good. But minimum 100 marks is must that you need to get. Please do tick the things in the document of whatever you have ready with you. Okay. Then you can press I have scanned the identity document specified above. Alright. So don't press cancel application. Your application will be cancelled. So press next. Alright. So here you need to enter your details. I'll enter my details now. So maybe let's say 11 October 2000. Enter the email address that is necessary in these two fields. Okay, like you should enter your email address and confirm that email address. So whatever email you enter, you will get an email to that account. Your AFP check mail will come to that account of what email you have entered here. Alright. So when coming to here, so this thing is an important thing. So now I am saying this for the TR holders. If you are a TR holder and applying AFP, if you are a student holder and applying for TR to get AFP, so I'll just show it to you in some simple steps. Here, just a little thing. You should keep Commonwealth employment or purpose, and we don't keep this working in the Australian Capital Territory. We'll keep Commonwealth employment or purpose. And purpose of check, you need to keep number 33. Remember number 33. Immigration or citizenship was applied to the Department of Home Affairs. So I have entered some email ID and all the details, my date of birth, my name, middle name and everything. So I'll just press next. You will get this page where you need to keep, you should tick that you are acknowledged and you have read all the terms and conditions consenting to the Australian Federal Police to complete national police check on your behalf. So whatever you have ticked is completely your information that you are providing to the AFP. Alright. So then you press next. Alright. So now it asks for some documents. So we need to upload those documents. So it asks for bank statement, credit card or account card, foreign passport, property lease agreement, utility bill. So you need to scan. Files must be in .jpg, .pdf or .tif format, which should not be more than 4 MB in size. Please do remember that. Okay. So it's also saying that please ensure your scanned files are legible or the processing of your NPC application will be delayed. If you don't have a scanner, a camera can be used. So this is a good thing. If you don't have a scanner, use the camera instead. So just press choose file and press the files, wherever you have, just upload them. Upload them here. After uploading, you should tick this. I have uploaded 100 points of identification because I haven't uploaded anything. It's saying, so then tick and then I'll just say you a moment. So when you press that, do upload all the documents that it asks. Don't upload other documents. Please make sure that you upload correct information in the place given there. Alright. So now, yeah, that is what I'm saying. Please upload all the documents. Okay. Please upload all the documents that it is asking that were mentioned. And next, remember, you will have a payment window at next. So do make a payment in next window. Make sure you give your details correct. Okay. So don't give wrong details with your card information, give correct details and pay the amount that it was asking. So after you pay the amount, your AFP check is ready. So that's it. So these are the simple steps to apply for AFP. So remember, tick whatever the documents you have and make sure that you upload all the documents that you ticked, and you should get minimum 100 points. Please do read all the terms and conditions and upload all the documents that are mentioned here, everything that you ticked. And so the next will be the payment window, and after you do a payment, your AFP check is ready and you will get your AFP check to the email that you have provided in the before page. Alright, so you have provided your email address, right? To that email address you will get your AFP check. It might take, usually you'll get within a day, or else it might take within 24 to 48 hours you'll get your AFP. So then have your AFP and send it to your consultant or immigration agent, or upload it by yourself at TR. And that's, hope you all understood the process. It's a simple way and it's a easy steps, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.